Hello, I'm Dr. Binav John, Senior Consultant Interventional Cardiologist and Specialist in Heart Failure, Chennai. Today I'll be talking to you regarding some intricacies in the care and treatment of heart failure patients. So what is heart failure? The function of the heart is to pump blood, energy, oxygen, and nutrients to the various organs and tissues of the body. The normal pumping efficiency or the ejection fraction of the heart is 55 to 70%. Heart failure can result because of various causes. For simple understanding, heart failure can be graded as mild, moderate, or severe. Mild heart failure is when the pumping function is 40 to 50%. Moderate heart failure is when the pumping function is 30 to 40%. And severe heart failure when the pumping function is less than 30%. The most important thing to remember about heart failure is that it is a progressive phenomenon, a progressive condition, where mild heart failure with time progresses to severe heart failure invariably. Heart failure can be further staged as A, B, C, and D. The 5-year survival of a stage A heart failure patient is 97%, and of a stage B patient is 96%, and with stage C, the survival is only 75%, and with stage D, the 5-year survival is reduced to 20%. So heart failure is a progressive condition. But what the patient or the public must understand is that this heart failure progression from A to B, B to C, and C to D can be delayed, and survival can be improved with proper care and consultation with a specialist. There are various treatment options currently available for heart failure treatment with excellent drugs which can delay the progression. And there are also specialized treatments like cardiac resynchronization therapy or biventricular pacing. That is a special pacemaker-like device is placed into 3 chambers of the heart, and the pumping efficiency can be improved by synchronizing the heartbeat or the pumping efficiency. This can improve the pumping function and also the quality of life of the patient. The most common condition or cause by which a heart failure patient dies is sudden cardiac death. This occurs because of certain arrhythmias which occur inside the heart, where the heartbeat goes very high and rapidly, and only an electrical shock which is applied within 2 minutes can save the patient. So there are certain devices called ICDs or implantable cardioverter defibrillators, which is again like a pacemaker which can be very simply placed inside the heart, and this machine will detect this ventricular tachycardia and fibrillation and shock the patient by itself, and thus sudden cardiac death can be averted. There are also other treatments like cardiac transplant, which is actually the gold standard for treatment of heart failure patients. And in patients where cardiac transplantation is not possible, there are devices called LV assist devices, which are portable devices which functions just like the heart, and these are powered by rechargeable batteries. So there are a lot of options available in the management and treatment of heart failure patients. But the most important thing that the public or the patient must understand is, for delaying this progression of heart failure and for providing the proper treatment, it is very important and crucial that a timely examination and consultation has to be done with a cardiologist, and it has to be very regular also. That is the only way the doctor can see the patient, evaluate him physically, do an echocardiogram, evaluate all the parameters in a serial manner, and thereby titrate the medications and give him the best treatment that is possible. And another important thing which I would like to convey is heart failure is caused by a lot of treatable causes which, if detected very early, can prevent heart failure itself. So for this also, it is very important every person should visit their doctors and their specialists or cardiologists very frequently, at least once in 6 months, so that all the evaluation can be done and any problems can be detected early and treatment can be given, and thus any cardiac disease or heart failure can be prevented. So heart failure is a progressive disease, but this is one of the main conditions in medical field where the age-old proverb of prevention is better than cure is best applicable. This is my message regarding heart failure to the public. Thank you.